Greetings, this is Mike from PinballHelp. I am working on this Bally Mystic, as you can see, and we just fixed the drop target bank here, so we're going to check to see if it's working. Look at that. Boom. That's the way it's supposed to work. All right. So next time, pay attention when you're putting things together. I'm telling myself this, you see. And the new springs make it really nice and snappy. I like that. So that's kind of cool. All right. So there you have it. Another successful repair after kind of making a stupid mistake of putting the drop target back plate on wrong. So sometimes you got to pay real close attention. The tolerances on some of these components are just so tight that even if it looks like it's right, it could be slightly off and can cause problems. So stay tuned for more. Visit the website pinballhelp.com. Thanks for watching.